What's up guys, it's your girl JB here, back with another video. And today you guys, I'm coming to you with a braid out tutorial with a Batu knotted crown. You guys, I haven't done a Batu knot crown in forever, so I don't know how this is going to turn out, but stay tuned for this video. Okay you guys, so I'm starting out on freshly shampooed and deep conditioned hair. I just rinsed the deep conditioner out of my hair, so this is what I'm working with so far. This is the twisting cream and this is the detangler. And I'm also going to be putting the Eco Styler Black Cast Iron Flaxseed Maximum Hair Growth Formula in my hair as my oil today. So this is it. So what I'm doing now is I'm just putting leave-in conditioner on this back part of my hair, because this is where I'm going to do my braids. And then I will do the crown of my hair, and when I start on that, I will put leave-in conditioner on it as well. And so I'm just finger detangling my hair, you guys. Always finger detangle while your hair is wet. Always detangle while your hair is wet, point blank period. But me personally, I like to finger detangle before I use my dimming brush, because sometimes, you know, your hair just needs a good finger detangle. And if you just go in with a bunch of knots or something with a dimming brush, you're asking for your hair to be ripped out. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this oil and rub it into my scalp. And if you guys haven't seen my wash day routine or my tips on growing your natural hair, they will be in the description box, and they will also be a card up here that you can click on and go watch those videos. Detangle going from the ends of your hair right on up, just like this. Okay you guys, so I've detangled my hair with my dimmer brush, and the way I do my braids is I don't use a comb, I don't part, I don't split down the middle and, you know, braid one half, braid the other half. I literally just go and box off with my finger. And the reason why I do this is because when you're doing braid outs, if you define square parts, when you take it out, it'll be like in little square sections, and you have to do more manipulation to get those out. I don't like doing all of that, and I definitely don't want a deep defined part down the middle of my head. So you're gonna see me like taking my finger and just pulling off a nice little section. You don't want them too big, you don't want them too small. You definitely don't want them too small. So this is a good size. So I'm gonna take the rest of my hair, paint it up this twisting cream. I'm just gonna put it on my hair. Run my fingers through it, make sure I'm coating every strand, and then I'm gonna brush through it one more time. And you guys, you want to make sure that there's no tangles in your hair, so that your curls can be as defined as possible and your hairstyle can last as long as possible. Look at that. And now I'm just gonna braid it.
0666. Nothing smells greater than the braid outdoors, especially when you're in accounts receivable. Only one detergent
So this is what I've done to the front of my hair so far. I've sectioned it off to do my crown of Bantu knot. Alright guys, so this is it. I'm done with my hair. This is, I have a total of 5 Bantu knots. These are my braids. It is currently 3:14 in the afternoon. I'm going to let this air dry for the rest of the day. If I'm not doing anything tomorrow, then it'll be in tomorrow too, and whenever I decide to take this out, I will be back to let you guys know.